Creating a personalized AI talking twin avatar for your videos is an innovative way to enhance your content. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Firstly, select the suitable platform. BigVU or HeyGen provides over 100 AI avatars with perfect lip syncing, supporting 40 plus languages, right? Same with BigVU, offers the creation of hyper-realistic AI twin avatars capable of speaking in 29 different languages. So you gotta just go ahead and create your digital twin. I highly recommend you use the HeyGen in PC in order to get the full experience, right? Log in, of course, with your account. In my case, I'm using an example to do that to show you it's legit. So next, if you want to create your own kind of avatar, or you can just go ahead and explore features, and you're gonna see right here avatar video or avatar only. Build a digital avatar that mirrors your appearance and voice. You could just go ahead and try it on your desktop, or avatar video, which is basically already set for set to be made, right? And you can prepare your recording if you are creating your own AI avatar twin. Record a clear 1-minute video of yourself delivering a script. Ensure good lighting and clear audio, to just like this example, of demonstrating how to talk, speak, and deliver the script. Okay, and after you agree into the consent, you can upload your recorded video and basically add your script. In this example, I'm gonna add my own script, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit create video, right? And basically they will help you create your own AI twin, right? And add your desired script as we showed you before in the avatar video, right? Add your own script, right? And then hit create video, of course, and the AI will deliver the script, producing a video with your digital twin. By following these steps, you can efficiently create an AI talking twin avatar to enhance your video content. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.